Amazon keeps releasing new news for shipping into their warehouses because it's costing so much money for sellers. Now they're putting a new little badge when you are shipping in, telling you, hey, you can get a discount if you do XYZ. That's what this new update's about. You can read it right here, but we're going to go through it together. And it's about the FBA inbound placement service fee. Now, Amazon has been charging extra fees depending on how many items you're shipping into Amazon, because Amazon has to receive the items and then ship them out again to different fulfillment centers so everybody in the US gets 2-day shipping. So you can see kind of what it's going over. So you've got minimal shipment splits, and then you have Amazon optimized shipment splits, and then partial shipment splits. And what it's talking about is when you are shipping into Amazon, now there's pretty much supposed to be a badge showing up that says, hey, look, you can get Amazon optimized shipment splits, and that's going to save you a lot of money. Just do XYZ. So we did it ourselves, and we're going to pretty much ship inventory into Amazon. Once you create a shipment, you can see this badge popped up before we were about to pay for the shipment, and it said, hey, your shipping plan does not qualify for the Amazon optimized or partial shipment split options. For your shipment to be eligible for Amazon optimized option, you must at least send 5 cartons of the same exact item, right? So not too bad. It tells you, like, it's telling you how to save money, which is great job on Amazon. And we can see we optimized it again. We did optimize it, and then they gave us access to Amazon optimized shipments here and minimal split. So we can kind of see what's going to be the best price. And we kind of just followed what Amazon's recommendation was from the past one. So the past one, it says we need to at least have 5 cartons or pallets of the same exact item. We went ahead and did that, re-optimized the shipment plan, and then now we have access to either Amazon optimized and or the minimal shipment split option. So that's pretty much the update. Amazon is trying to help us, right? And they're trying to help us save money. But it's Amazon that's the one that keeps charging us more fees. So it's a double-edged sword at the end of the day. But hey, I do thank Amazon for having these different updates here. That's it for today's video. If you do need any help with Amazon, you can feel free to check out the link right in the description, where you can schedule a call with one of our Amazon experts, as well as just send an email to us. We will help you with Amazon ads, inventory reimbursements, SEO, everything Amazon we can help you with. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.